Hello everyone. We will now show you how to generate some marking labels. The front labeling strips and the marking strips are designed for the labels. Labels are being used to show the marking. For instance, Q2, LS1, Q3 or Q4, as well as the appliance and the location of each material. Before creating the labels, the drawings and the enclosures have to be completed. For this, click on Diagram. The designations have to be fulfilled correctly from the diagram table or from the diagram. Labels are being generated from the appliance designation and the circuit location. Let's go back to the diagram table. If an upstream product does not have any appliance, like Q5 for example, the circuit information can be fulfilled from the Properties tab. For instance, we will add lighting and west side in the appliance and the location fields. These designations will be visible as soon as the labels are generated. Now, we will open the Labels menu. Hagercad will read the information from both tabs: Diagram and Enclosure, the functional marking and the circuit designation, in order to generate automatically the labels for the enclosures. Labels can be updated if you click on them. We will add the appliance, for instance, lighting meter. This information is duplicated inside the diagram. If you do not want to see this information in your drawings, select No here. In the Properties tab, click on Model of Label. The labels can be modified as needed from this menu. On the front labeling strip, a marking or a pictogram appliance can be added or deleted. The text orientation can also be changed. The same can be done for the marking strip. Then click on OK. These changes are immediately displayed. Once all labels are finished, you can print them. For this, go to the Label menu and click on Print. Select which location should be printed, either the complete project or a specific sub-panel. Enter which type of label should be printed. In this example, we will opt for the marking labels. Now we will choose the paper type and other print options, such as the stamping references and the label's edges. Click on Print to generate the PDF with the labels. It is important to take the actual size so that the labels are being adjusted to the real dimensions of the front labeling strips and the marking strips. A last feature is available in the Label tab. Click on Export and select which type of strip you need. You will now be able to use it to print your labels as stickers, for example.